Someone pick me up at my job site. Where is it? Can you? Oh, sleeping. Someone pick me up in my job site. Here we go. Thank you, anak, for picking me up. Mommy job site. Look, that's mommy's. That's mommy's work. Look. Wow, nice. See?
See the color? It's a rainbow.
Wow. That's mommy's job site. It's not job site. Okay, thank you, anak, picking me up. There we go. Nice color, anak. Look.
I'm sleeping.
Are you sleeping? That's mommy's work, anak. Look.
But why are you disturbing
That's mommy.
me?
Oh, sorry.
I cannot sleep tomorrow.
Oh my God.
Good eye.
It's waterfront.
Bothering you.
Did mommy bothering you? Wow. You're so sleepy now. You're so sleepy na, anak.